Alright, so Tonya, the shop has been a community shop. So some of the time business might slow down and if I have the people personally, we will say not too much attitude. Because you know people will come here with their attitude and whatever. And the policy is the customer is always right.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. 5.
Yes, Miss 5.
Nobody would miss. Just 5.
Yes, Miss 5. Wait, that's her real name?
Me not just tell you say no miss, just 5. And no, that's not my real name. My real name is Denise Ferguson. But the community know me as 5.
Okay, understood.
Alright, so this fridge is where I pack all of the glass things there. Yeah? I'm gonna put them in the freezer because you know it will broke and stuff like that. This fridge, when you leave every night, please plug it out. Because in the morning when the stuff them get icy and the customer them don't want it to tough. So forget less work. Every 2 days, but dust the shelf because you know the place does already. Bread truck come every Monday and biscuit truck come on a Tuesday. Don't wait until you see stock them done before you make them say things want to restock. Alright? So the money go in your store. You know when you get the goods there, they can ask for them, leave them if them leave them out the about this one. You can beg one of them carrying the things them for you if I am not here or shop is not here. Alright? And you have my number so you can call me for anything at all.
Yes, fine.
So I'm gonna give you the price list so you can look upon it and maybe in a day or 2 you can remember it because not so hard. Most of the things them are like the same price. Alright? Come introduce it to the new shopkeeper. So Tonian, this is my business partner. Tonian, look at me.
Sorry.
Yeah, at the 2 hour run the shop. So the things that we will tell you, we will talk about it later.
Okay.
Alright? So, what the fuck? Okay. Come on. Tonian, I'm close back here, so come in. Tell her I said check everywhere before she. Lazy man. Oh my God. Said the lock. Said me no. And she hold the lock before. She never see that. When Chappie come today and I light up that she see. So what the book there? A little girl that seems like she want to get fire. Oh, she get fire. Then I'm going to stay one and she see.